with some difficulty, I found some money and issued an order and showed it to him. ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮೂರಿನ ರಸ್ತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಾವೇನು MLA ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರೋ ನಾನು MP ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನೋ. See, nobody wants to lose power. So the autonomy that was given to Zilla Parishads and Mandal Panchayats in the year 1987 in Karnataka was slowly whittled away and taken back. Today, every committee at the local level is appointed at the instance of the member of the Legislative Assembly. How the Narayan Swami said, it is question of now, where is the real issue? That was my point. Coming to the Finance Commission, the Central Finance Commission has given 7,91,000 crores for 5 years for all the states. For rural local bodies, Karnataka's share is 4.37%. For urban local bodies, some 6.36% or something like that. So let's
whatever. So if that is the concern, that they see where the multiplier of the money is there. Okay. People generally say that in the urban area the multiplier is higher. Okay, just like economist language. But I totally agree with Vijayanand Saab, that Pura concept, which is the P.V. Indresen's concept, not the Abul Kalam. Okay, P.V. Indresen was the director of the IIT Madras, and
P.V. Indresen's idea. So there's nothing wrong in Pura in providing urban amenities to rural areas, health, education, sanitation, roads, water supplies, nothing wrong. But what is missing in rural areas, which is there in urban areas, is in our definition of urbanization, population density. ಈಗ ನಾವು ವಿಚಾರ ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ there in urban area. That is the reason why Pura is there, but we cannot get in rural. But what is possible with healthy urbanization is not a substitute like for rural development and vice versa. We need healthy urbanization and good rural development. That's all I want to say.
Sir, Indresan and I have discussed it personally with Dr. Kalam. They say it is densification of the current rural. It's not that you provide amenities in rural areas. A 5,000 village linked becomes a 50,000 village. So that is the way out, not to slum population increase. We have 140 crores. We have to look at their lives, not just an empty growth and these kind of things. So that is the most important thing. Second is constitutional amendment.